Krishna Krishna Radha Krishna ye Gokula Bala ye Gopi Lola Nanda Kumara Navanita Chora he Nanda Lala he Nanda Lala Krishna Krishna Radha Krishna he Gokula Bala ye Gopi Lola Nanda Kumara Navanita Chora he Nanda Lala he Nanda Lala. Krishna is an avatar of Vishnu. He has come down to play all the roles that we human beings have in our lives. We have the baby Krishna, then you have the Tavara Krishna or the crawling Krishna, then we have the Vishamakara Kannan or the naughty Krishna, then we have the teenage Krishna who is very, very adventurous, lifting the Govardhan mountain, so on. Then we have the romantic Krishna with the Radhas and the Gopikas. Then we have the powerful Krishna who is the king. And then the Mahabharata where he has given a message to the world. And finally we also have the family Krishna. Here for Krishna Jayanti, we know all of us love food. Even Krishna also loves mostly the butter, the milk and the buttermilk, which is his favorite. We know all kids love snack. Krishna also loves snack. Here I have made the kara seeda, sweet seeda, the lovely murku, the protein rich sundal. All the fruits are for him. Then we have the poha or the aval payasam, which is his favorite. Then we have the badam alwa. And Krishna always loves to be close to the environment, in the nature. He loves the mountain. He loves the forest. He loves all the water bodies. And he also loves all animals, birds. He is always grazing the cows and so on. So let us also embrace nature, live in harmony with nature and also protect nature. That is my message today. Kanne en kanmaniye kannane kanvalarai.